Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks in the GPT verse. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to use ChatGPT for the first time. In just 2 minutes, we will show you how to get started with this powerful model. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to ChatGPT website. You can find the link in the description below. So once you're there, you will see the homepage of ChatGPT where you can access its amazing features. Step 2. To unlock the full potential of ChatGPT, you will need to create an account. Look for the sign up button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. Step 3. Enter your email address and click on continue. Set up a password and click on continue again. You will be asked to verify your email address by clicking on a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Step 4. Once your account is created and verified, it's time to log in. Look for the login button on top right corner of the ChatGPT homepage. Enter the email address and password. Click on continue button to access your ChatGPT account. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and logged into your ChatGPT account. Simply type your query or statement in the text input box. Feel free to ask questions, seek information, or engage in a friendly chat. ChatGPT is designed to respond to your inputs. Press the enter key or click on the send button to submit your input. ChatGPT will process it and generate a response in real time. And that's it. You have just used ChatGPT for the first time. Remember, this model is constantly learning, so the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding and responding to your queries. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting ChatGPT content. See you in the next video. Happy chatting.